All right, good morning all. So right now, you're looking at me through the GoPro Hero 3 with a Rode VideoMic inside my Subaru WRX. It's a cool September morning, and the mic is mounted on this awesome Amazon.com.ca setup. So what you'll see in a second here is I edit in the picture of it. It's ridiculous. So I'm going to mount this to the outside of the car, and we can do a direct comparison to the onboard microphone inside the skeleton case versus the Rode VideoMic on the outside of the car. It's windy outside, so I'm going to go step outside of the car here just so you can see if you can hear the wind, aside from over the noise of the engine. But yeah, you can see the trees are blowing. I'm about to go head out and meet a friend who's visiting out of town for some dim sum, some Chinese food. And yeah, let's go for a ride.
A few moments later.
You can tell it's really windy right now. We're about to do a quick run through the tunnel just to get the sound from the Rode VideoMic. So this is a comparison of the Rode VideoMic against the skeleton case, which I'll edit in after the GoPro Hero 3. All right.
Three hours later.
It's bound to happen. Still good. Oh, that's so funny. Bound to happen, I tell you. Bound to happen. All right. So, shout out to my boy NinjaXBart. This is the Rode VideoMic. Western Subaru Club represent, and the best sound in the world when she leaves. It's probably a special place in hell for me for doing this, but sorry. Oh, I love autumn.